Hello, good morning guys. How are you? So guys, today we are going to fix the LCD about the Samsung a750. So we are first properly all the clean and properly good one fixing ne. So first we will put the hair gum ne. No so much putting, just normally putting, then after not come LCD come outside ne. So guys, we will LCD fix ne inside with middle housing. So we already put the gum ne. So this one put here LCD is connector, and also charging board is connection to the motherboard ne. So also the with third one have the cable is battery, put one here like that. Then and next procedure is the back housing, middle housing. We will put here ne, also like that. Normally press ne. Properly. So already we are put inside gum ne. So then we are put the rubber for the dry, just for 10 minutes. So also this one is, this mobile is the SIM tray, and also the SIM inside putting from here. So, and more, this is the screw, putting screw here. So we will put the screw completely and put the rubber for dry gum, properly dry the LCD. Then also we are put charging, and right side power button to the open mobile. So guys, this one the open the LCD. Will be the open. So guys, this one put LCD ne, here will be open. This one touch good working also. And so next the procedure, the It's done all screw, and also next putting the back body. First we will put here gum, then we will after that put back door. So as put we are already the gum ne, and we will put the back body. Here put back body. Then after we will put the tape. So guys, after 6 hours or 5 hours after you will tape remove, and then you will properly dry, and more good one fixing. Okay guys, see, good one touch, properly good working. Thank you guys. Your video subscribe, channel subscribe, video like and share and bell icon. Thank you guys, bye.